In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TradingView indicator. We'll start right from a chart and finish with your indicator running on screen. First, open a chart in TradingView for any market you like. Stocks, crypto, forex, any symbol works. Along the bottom of the screen, look for the panel labeled Pine Editor. If the bottom panel is minimized, click to expand it, then select Pine Editor so you're looking at the code window. This is where we write Pine Script, the scripting language that powers TradingView indicators. Next, inside that editor, click the name Drop Down at the very top of the pane. Choose Create New, then Indicator. TradingView will prepare a fresh script file with some starter code so you don't have to set everything up manually. Now replace the default code with a simple, functional example. Type or paste the following. Version 5 indicator. My simple MA overlay true length equals input int 14 length plot tay.sma close length color color.blue. Here's what that does. The version line tells TradingView to use Pine Script version 5. The indicator function sets the indicator's name and, with overlay set to true, places it directly on the price chart. The input line creates a user-adjustable setting called length that defaults to 14, so you can change it later from the indicator settings without editing code. Finally, plot draws a simple moving average of the closing price using that length and colors it blue. You can tweak the name, the color, or the default length to suit your style. If you prefer the indicator in its own panel, set overlay to false. With your code in place, click Save in the editor. Give the script a clear, memorable name so you can find it later in your list of indicators. Saving also helps you avoid losing changes if you switch charts or refresh the page. After saving, click Add to Chart. Your indicator will appear immediately, on the main price pane if overlay is true, or in a separate pane if it's false. If you don't see it, expand the chart scale or check that the line color isn't blending into the background. Open the indicator's settings to adjust the length input and watch the moving average update in real time. That's all it takes. Open the Pine Editor, create a new indicator, write or paste your code, save, and add it to the chart. You now have a working TradingView indicator you can build on as you learn more.